My name's Howard Scholes. I'm the Financial Reporting Manager for the East Sussex College Group, which consists of 3 main colleges based in Hastings, Eastbourne and Lewes. The reason we decided to recruit an apprentice was because obviously as the college, we have lots of apprentices studying at the college, and we thought it would be a great idea to take part in that. And as a large finance department, we could give the apprenticeships experience in working in purchase ledger, sales ledger, management accounts, financial accounts, cashiering, and give them a broad range of experience whilst we're also studying at the college and enable them to do day release as well. The things apprentices get up to at the college are sort of a bit varied at the moment because with COVID there's actually been a lot of working from home. So the apprentice we've got working with us at the moment is a lad called Alfie, and he's actually working on the systems side of things at the moment. So he's helping set up new users, do password resets, he's helping look at creating new management accounting reports and financial accounting reports. Apprenticeships have benefited our department because they've actually come in, they're obviously young, they're keen individuals to get on and learn. And yes, it does take a little bit of time to show them things, but that investment is valuable to us because over the next 2-3 years that Alfie is going to be with us, he's going to help and learn and contribute more as that period of time goes on. And hopefully at the end of that 2-3 year period, when Alfie's passed all his exams, there'll be a role there for him at the end. I think it's valuable to take on apprenticeships as an employer because you're helping with young people's education, and for us as an employer, we are part of the community and we want to be part of that community and encourage that involvement with the people we're educating as well. So I think it's valuable to take on young people and let them grow and learn within the organisation, because I guess not everybody wants to take the university route.